Hey guys, what's up? It's that time of the year again with Sephora savings event. Well, the first one because it's only spring. Bad girl Patreon here with powder reviews, and I'm just gonna share with you guys what are my top picks from Sephora. This year I decided let me try and get something new. Why don't we start with some fragrance? This is from Ellis, Brooklyn. Peaches Fragrance Body Mist, especially in the summertime, and I love flower fruity scent. Only a mist, but it just smells so heavenly. So if you like really sweet fruity stuff, highly recommend it. So this is from Giorgio Armani, the My Way perfume, kind of like a floral explosion. If I mix this too. So the keynotes are Orange Blossom, Tube Roasted Vanilla. This is on my wish list for a long time, so I finally jumped the gun and just get this one here. Powder that I just got to refill. This from Gucci. This is the Natural Matte Powder. I'm the color 06. And to show you the texture here. I love this powder. Mattified pretty well, especially with the Luxury brand. This is one you want to stock up. I think this is a new blush. I just actually put it on for today's video. This is the Soft Pinch Blush Matte from Rare Beauty. This is in the color Grateful Pinkish Red. Look at this, guys. The color is not as pigmented as the other one, but it's still very much pigmented, if you know what I mean. I got a few lippies. So I've been wanting to try out this brand EADEM. This is their lip softening balm. And I got one in the color Bissap Glaze. And the other one I Boba Bounce. I got the metal applicator here. And it's like a soft wrap. It's more like in the purpley cranberry pink. Baby hair contain peptides, moringa oil, acai butter. So I started to try this. Another lip product that I got is this one here from Dr. Idriss. This is the barrier-based lip base. Guys, as someone with very chapped, I'm just praying that this can work great on my lips. So baby hair contains squalane, ceramide, shea butter. So protect lips from lasting hydration, soothing dry lips. I got this one here. This is from Dieux. This is the Lipid-Rich Facial Moisturizer fragrance-free. I like to use richer cream at nighttime. So even though I have oily combo skin, I hear a lot of good reviews about this product here. Test them on camera here. I actually just did a store pickup. It was so busy at the store. I don't even know it says like rich cream, but it blends down nicely, as you can see here. And nighttime, I'm just gonna go heavy with my skincare. I got Easy Bake setting spray from Huda Beauty, and this is a mini size shake well. Twist this, so it's really cool. I got around to this. This is the Easy Bake Setting Powder in the color Ube Birthday Cake. It's not usually in the other months. I like to use Cherry Blossom one. My skin tone gonna get darker. In the summer month, I'm like, might as well. This is the older packaging here. I still got plenty to go. And this is with the new packaging here. This is good for medium and deeper skin tone. Right on time for the summer. So this is more like a lilac tone. So guys, this is the SOFIE PAVITT Face. It's a Mandelic acid serum. Gently exfoliate your dead skin cells and use it day and night. But Mandelic acid is the more gentler active. So it's not gonna irritate your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. Very gentle, lightweight formula. Alright guys, so I'm excited to try this. So this is like a little price at $54. So everything here I got with 20% off. If you want to try it out, new skincare product, this is the right time to do it with the sale. That's all the products that I got with my own money. Whatever works on my skin might not work on yours. It's just personal preference. Alright guys, so even though the sale is going on right now, just shop smart. Even with the new tariffs thing, like, oh, this is the time to stock up. But just keep in mind that skincare does expire. And makeup too. Only buy what you need, not what you want. So yeah guys, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy shopping. Bye.